Page 79. F major, D minor warm-up. Related patterns and stuff. F major, we're in the key of F major. F major has one flat. D minor is a relative minor because it's 1, 2, 3 half steps down. So D minor has one flat. Except we're going to use harmonic minors. We're going to use C sharps. So F major, B flat. D minor, C sharp. Okay. And this little warm-up is just D minor together. They go together because they have the same key signature. They have an improvisation thing down there at the bottom. I'd like to play that. And if you want to try and improvise some sort of a melody using the F major, D minor thingy, these notes in here, and you can use C sharps too if you want to. You experiment. Try things out. If it sounds okay, it is okay. And look at the notes at the bottom of the page. It starts out in F major, and then at the end of the second line, it goes to D minor. So you can kind of get an idea. Well, the first half of it is in F major, and then you go to D minor. So if you're going to make up a melody, stick with F major for the first part, and then go to D minor for the second part. Just make up a melody, whatever. It is repeated. I'm going to play this thing twice, and if you want to play along, that's fine. Go with that. Ooh.